In this video tutorial, we'll go through how you can work with dashboard elements in Visma.net Insights. Let's go to the Profit and Loss tab, and we will look at the element Revenue. Click on Actions and choose Change Chart Type. For elements that display multiple periods, you can choose between bar, column, line, area, and pie. For elements that display one period, we have two more chart types, number and gauge. Let's look at another element, net profit margin. Here you're able to use number or gauge as chart types. As you can see in the gauge or speedometer, we have different thresholds. Thresholds can be defined only for the element types number and gauge. The thresholds are already predefined, but since all companies are different, the user has the possibility to go in and change these predefined thresholds. Different colors are used to graphically display the threshold limits. Red for unsatisfactory performance, yellow for average performance, and green for high performance. Look at this speedometer. The thresholds up to 5% are red, from 5 to 10% yellow, and higher than 10% are green. Since the value is 20%, the gauge is in the green section. But if you go to Actions and change chart type, you can edit and set new thresholds according to your company's requirements. We changed the threshold between yellow and green to 25, and the gauge is now in the yellow section. The invert scale button is used when high values represent unsatisfactory performance and low values are desirable. An example of an indicator like this can be liabilities to equity, for which a company wants to have the lowest ratio possible. If you turn off the threshold functionality, you'll get neutral numbers that we don't compare with anything, and therefore the figures will be displayed black. If you turn the threshold on, it will change color depending on the threshold you have set in the system. Now let's take a look at the other options you have in the action menu. The option Definition of KPI will redirect you to the support panel. You also have the option Save as Templates. You can rename the element and use another description. It will then be saved as a template and will be found in the library. This is described more in detail in the video Create Dashboards. Restore to Original will revert any changes you have done to the element. Remove from Dashboard can be used if you want to delete the element from the dashboard. You also have the possibility to look at any of the elements in full screen. To do this, simply click Expand. If you want to share an element with your colleagues, you can do so. You just click on Share from the action menu, select your colleague's name from the list, and then press the Share button. You can also download individual elements by selecting the option Download PNG image or Download JPEG image. With this video tutorial, you have seen how easy it is to modify the dashboard in Visma.net Insights. So good luck on your dashboards, and thank you for watching.